TV. Subscribe to us that are the TV and build up to all the fans. Yeah, someone out there. When a girl left them and when the girl pussy good and the girl we give them a proper fuck and then love the fuck. And when the girl said the relationship end, the man them a care pussy feelings. The one them a watch a girl pussy. When the relationship end, the relationship end. When you need to do, you don't know if you do that and stop watching girl pussy. Do not set nobody for watch her and say, yo, watch a girl for me. You understand? Love her and see. The girl says she don't want you, the relationship end, the relationship end is a new man in her life. You understand? And no cocky show her, she don't want you again. Relationship end. So stop watching girl, stop girl pussy feelings, and I use the girl want you slip, you slide, the girl don't want you again. You can't believe. The girl block you off of WhatsApp, the girl block you off of Facebook, the girl block you off of Instagram, and you still insist I call the girl on her phone. I use a different number, I call the girl phone. The girl don't want you again. The girl say, yo, someone stubborn to them. When the people them say the relationship end, the girl don't want you. Stop being a pest in the girl life. Okay? Jeez. Because she don't want you, just don't want your relationship end. Just stop set people for watch her. Push you on fuck a 10 man, a 20 man. She in a business. When you're not with there, you understand? And 3 and 4 girls fuck a night time. You understand? The girl I say, stop pessai. You understand? Stop pessai. You understand? Stop pessai. Stop iscartai. The girl say stop watch her pussy. You understand? She and I in a day again. Please and thanks. Me get paid for you do a video and me a do it. The girl say stop watch her pussy. You understand? Yes, guy, it's not you are going there again. It's a different man. I enter the door now. You understand? Me ask some people, tell the man say stop watch your girl pussy. You understand? The man, the girl don't want him again. The girl don't want him again. You understand? Me ask him please and talk. Yeah, someone. I carry pum pum feelings and I watch pum pum. And I'm more than one pum pum in a world, yeah? More than one pum pum. Where you watch your girl for? The girl got a party after life. The girl meet a new man and the man a carry out a your vehicle that the girl see. Right at the restaurant. Parking lot. Stop follow the girl. The girl man will shoot her, is a policeman, she pick up now, you know. You understand? Policeman, you should give a gunshot in the head. Stop watching man. Stop watching your man and the woman. You see it? Yeah, please and thanks. So you see it? Us that, the truth, TV. You understand? Yo, John, what the bomb, yo, them people are wicked, you know? Them people are wicked. Yo, pan a big man thing. Some man, you know. You have some man, you know. As 6-7 girls, them are hook, you know. You want to fuck out of road, you know. But guess what? Them always have one woman a yard where they look. You understand? And them always stray. They're like a stray dog. You understand? And you see when woman a yard find out, you see them all, I give them bone, and the woman they move on. Or the woman move on in her life. Because you never really do the relationship. You understand? The girl move on. You understand? And now you are mad over the woman. Love the woman make a relationship well in peace. You understand? Stop watching the girl. The girl got he said that east. The girl that went on the west with that man in the west. The girl that's stout with that man in that stout. Stop watching your pussy, man. On the ears. When you something stick up in the ears. You know left on the left. Jeez. Ciao. Big up to all of my fans on YouTube and Facebook. And those subscribe to us that are the True TV. You understand that I YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Some man stubborn and a fool pussy again. A different man are going there, a different man have to keep it the door. You understand? Stop pissing people then. Start the girl. You understand? Us that are the True TV. Me never call her name. Big up yourself, okay? Alright.